Hello, today I'm going to talk about the law of correspondence. Law of correspondence, it is a law. As above, so below, as bidden, so without. So if you are waiting for you just sitting down, uh, things are not responding back. Responding back means it can be around your business, around your personal goals, because everything we are part of the universe world. So this law works according to how you are operating. So if you sing around your business, the money's not coming or something not going according to you, that means law of correspondence is works both way. Both way means whatever you're giving through your business, that's what you're getting back. Same with the personal goals. So there's a nothing without above, and there is a so below. There is a up and down, and with and without. So I'm talking about the relationship with as a human being with the universe world. We are part of the universe world. We are part of the universal laws. And so if something is with and then something without also. So if we are not serving or giving to the universe world, whatever your business is, maybe the product you are selling and the service you're doing through your professionalism, your business, and that's what you're returning back. So most of the time people just sitting down, they're gonna sit down and they're gonna wait to get something. It doesn't work like that. So correspondence, how good you are around your business or professionalism, whatever the job, the business, or whatever you're doing, how good are you? How good are you with that product, with that business, and how you're serving to the world through that product, through your business, and we supposed to serve the best. The best means if you going to serve best through your business, through your professionalism, your return always going to be according to that. So correspondence is nothing with and without. Is everything is with and without. So that's what I'm talking about. As above, so below. As within, so without. So it's quite deep to understand that if we haven't got something to give to someone or serve someone through your business, through your product, whatever your product is you're trying to sell, and most of the time people are just sitting down and waiting to get something. The law works other way around. How good are you serving through your business can be your whatever your business is. I'm going to give you example and my testimonial. I am the testimonial here. I'm serving through my information what I have learned, because I'm aware of the law of correspondence. If I serve and help others, my return going to be according to that. So I have to be really good. I have to be really the best to how I can help other people or how I can serve others through my business. Business means the information I'm sharing, that is my business. So it doesn't matter I'm going to get the return, the people who's going to watch me, but because I am aware of the universal laws, the return always going to be back, because this is what my intention is. This is what I'm doing. I'm trying to uh, through my business, I'm trying to serve others the best. Whatever I have learned, what I have achieved, and I'm trying to help others. I'm trying to serve others the best ability. So that's what you have to do. If you not getting return back can be anything, money, or your product is not selling, and your business not going back, according to the way you wanted it. The reason is you not using the law of correspondence. Simple as that. This is the reason I'm saying, as above, so below, as within, so without. So it works both way. It's both ways. It's within us, as within us, and without, so without. So if you're not, it works both way. The universe and the human being. It's like, and it comes back. So if you haven't got to give something to the universe world as a human being, and you're not serving your product properly, and you're not trying to um, uh, through your whatever you're selling, your business, so that means this is the what is the lack is. I'm going to give you another example. In the universe world, we are breathing free. It's a flowless, it's flowing all the time. And how much we're going to breathe, that does not really matter. Same process works with the law of correspondence. So how good you are through your business, through your professionalism, sorry, uh, your job, how good are you to serve others? Most of the time, people just sitting down and waiting to get something without giving. Correspondence, how good you are, your ability to serve others, and then according to that, and the result going to be. So how good are you business person, or whatever your business is? How good are you through your job, your professionalism? Doesn't matter what professionalism, the job you're doing, how best the job you're doing for to help others, improve others, serve others. How good are you? So this is what I'm doing here. I'm doing the best, and it's working for me. And because I'm aware of that law, and I'm just serving with the flow, just like how we breathe and breathe in, breathe out. I'm not keeping any secret. So if you want to see your business, your professionalism working for you, you have to be the best. Don't worry about the return. Return will come according to the laws, because this is how the laws works. You have to believe in yourself. You have to have a trust in yourself. You have to have a faith in yourself. You have to work according to the universal laws, and definitely the results always going to be there. This is what I have learned from thinking into result, and how to the best through your business, through your product, through your professionalism, and and it's so beautiful to know that law, and then you don't have to worry about, and and all you have to do just do the best through your business, through your professionalism. So whatever the job you're holding, and try to do the best, and improve every single day. I'm studying every single day. I'm still learner. I'm not complete. My mentor, he was learning every single day. He was studying every single day. It's not about gathering the information. It's about the awareness and the growth. This is what is all about. Awareness and the growth. Most of the time we don't grow. We just gather the information, and we are not moving forward because we are not aware of the laws. We are not aware of the how these laws works, and we just not growing. We just, most of the time our mind is on the negative most of the time, and we are thinking negative. Things are not working, things are not moving, things are not changing, and that's what we are thinking most of the time. But when you know the laws, your focus always going to be to improve. How I can improve, how I can study every single day, how I can be persistent, how I can take action every single day. So this what I have learned, this what I'm doing, this what I meant to do, this what my purpose is, and you can do the same. So anybody can, because every each human being born with the gifts. Gifts means they are within you. You have to bring on the surface. Every each human being is good in something. So don't think other people are better than me and I'm not good about something. I don't know anything, or I haven't got money. I haven't got the tools to show myself better through your professionalism or through your business. No, these are just excuses. These are just excuses. Okay, so we have all everything within us, and how we're using these tools within us, that is the difference. Okay, so everybody is a good in something. You start to do the best, start to give your best through your business, through your professionalism, whatever your job is, or the product you are selling. So I think, and I think that's all I have to share with you, the law of correspondence, and study that law of correspondence, how that works. So as I said, as above, so below. As within, so without. So think about that a little bit. So what I'm talking about. So everything, if we are corresponding through the universe world, we are not separate from the universe world. That's what is meant to. Okay. So I think that's all I have to share with you. So try to understand the law of correspondence, what I'm trying to say, and study it and apply it around your business and your professionalism, whatever the job you're holding or your whatever, or even just personal goals, doesn't really matter. So I think yeah, that's all I have to share with you today. Please leave your thumbs up if you like the YouTube. Leave your comments. Your comments definitely helps other person, because I am improving every single day. It's not that I have improved. I'm improving every single day. What do you think about the law of correspondence? Are you using through your business, your personal goals, or you just learned it today? So if you have, please try to study every single day and try to apply on yourself. Don't just wait for other people to help you, improve you, or gonna help you. No, you have to help yourself. You have to improve yourself. You have to take the action. You have to have the growth within yourself. You're definitely going to see the change. This is what I have learned through thinking to result, and is helping me. I'm improving every single day. It's not that I have improved, I'm improving and growing every single day. And that is the best thing happened to me, because I am my most of the time my focus is on studying and applying the information. And it's so beautiful to know that. If you don't know how to be a persistent, how to make the decision, how to do list every single day. Do list means you have to take action around your goals, around your business every single day. So you have to become an autopilot, and so you learn all these things. So this is what I have learned, and this are what I'm sharing with you. Thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. If you do need a further help around your a law of correspondence, please send me the message. I can help you with that on the Zoom. And this is what I do, help with personal goals, professional goals. And if you do need a further help, yeah, I can help you with that. Thank you and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.